Hi, I'm Jesse Anderson with Advanced Conservation Management, and I'm super excited to show you Hydrant Guard. The problem is when fire hydrants are hit, they geyser, allowing massive water loss and property damage. Our solution is to install a water conservation device underneath a wet barrel fire hydrant. Let me show you how it works. Hydrant Guard will mount to the top portion of the barrier spool using a solid mounting bolt. The fire hydrant will then go on top of the device using a flat face gasket and breakaway bolts. The reason we use bolts versus breakaway flanges is that bolts are more readily available, they're easier to use and easier to install. One unique feature about Hydrant Guard is that there's limited components in the waterway, which means it's not going to restrict your flow. Once the hydrant is attached and ready for service, the hydrant gets hit, the breakaway bolts will break, releasing the keeper pins. The bottom portion of the plates are beveled, which means they're going to close with the water. So once the hydrant is hit, the plates close and they're machined within 1/100 of an inch, which means you're still going to get a witness spray. Once the hydrant is ready for service to go back in, you just replace the broken bolts, replace the gasket, turn the water back on, and the hydrant is ready for service. Another advantage is the low profile design. At 2.5 inches tall, it makes it ideal for retrofit applications. Hydrant Guard, stainless steel, dual plate check valve, American made, with NSF-approved materials. Hydrant Guard is your solution.